What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Woo! Just did a 5-mile run. It was not easy, but I got it taken care of. Anyways, appreciate you guys coming over to my channel. This is just a quick little synopsis of what's going to be coming on my personal channel. This is Manuel Mancha YouTube. And basically, it's just going to be following my journey from where I'm starting January 2021. There's 2 businesses that I'm working on right now, life insurance agency and my marketing agency, or digital agency, whichever one you prefer. But both are going to be, both I'm building out right now. So I just want to share that journey with you folks. I know a lot of you guys are maybe struggling to find something or looking for something to help offset your income, maybe, whatever it might be. I wanted to sort of create this channel to show you my journey, what I'm doing, things I'm working on, things like that. So hopefully that'll help inspire you guys out there to basically get out there and go after your dreams, go after your goals. Look, it took me a long time to get to this point, and it wasn't easy. And I'll share that story with you. I'll share that journey with you as I go along. So there's a lot of great things happening. Like I said, I just wanted to film this short little video and let you guys know what's coming. Definitely subscribe to my channel to get updates on new videos that I'm going to be coming out with. Like the channel, comment, leave me any comments. Like I said, this is not going to be more like a training, in a sense, type of YouTube channel. If you want, I have a link to my marketing channel on here, and also my my YouTube insurance channel on here. I'll put the links in there, but this is more of the journey, more of the behind the scenes for you guys to see what it is I'm doing. So like I said, if you guys have questions, if you guys want to hit me up as I go through this journey, as I share the starts. This is my first week. I'm actually going full time with everything, sort of giving 110% on this one. And basically, it was a good week. Set up my channels, got a couple deals for my life insurance agency. So it's been good, and I'm learning as I go. Not to say I ain't gonna make any mistakes, because you know, we all make mistakes, but the thing you want to do is pick yourself up and keep going, you know. So anyways, thanks so much for coming to my channel and checking out this video. Definitely, like I said before, subscribe to the channel so you can check out new videos that I'm going to be coming out with. Most of it's going to be just kind of the journey, but if you have any questions about that journey, just let me know. Like I said, you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Stay tuned for more. I'm excited.